Hey, friends. It's Jennifer Woolsey here. I hope you're doing good. I'm trying to do two things at one time. It's not the best advice in the world, but welcome, and I hope that you're having a great day. I'm dealing with mask acne. I don't know about you guys. Drop me a comment. Let me know, yes, if this is the problem you're dealing with. So I am working on my nighttime skincare regimen, and I wanted to share a few tips with you guys that I'm using to help get rid of mask acne. So let's hop in and get started. I'm going to take off my eye makeup first. So I'm using our waterproof lip and eye makeup remover, because you want to be a little bit more gentle with that lip and eye area. It's just more gentle skin, so you don't want to be as harsh on that skin area as you are maybe in other eye areas. And I've not had my makeup on long. I've been working in my office all day, and so I look at that. Yuck. I didn't put my makeup on until later. So sorry I didn't get to do makeup with you guys today. Hi, Lizzie. Hey, girl. So we are going to do just a few tips. So I'm getting that eye area really clean. Can you see the difference? Is that not crazy? Look at this. All of that from your eyes. So be sure that you get your eye area cleaned really good separately. And then I'm going to show you a few other steps that will help with this problem. So the number one reason that we are finding that people are dealing with more mask acne is because they are not getting the amount of water in their bodies and moisture on their faces that they need. So I know this weekend I was busy and just entertaining and not really taking good care of my body and putting all the water in that I needed. And then I began to see, I don't know if you guys can see them on the camera, I seen them begin to pop up, and I'm like, no, I don't have any time for this. So make sure that you get your 100 ounces of water in every single day. That's the number one thing that you can do to fight mask acne, is hydrate your body from the inside out. The number two thing you can do is cleanse your face morning and night. So before you put your makeup on in the mornings and whenever you get ready for bed at night, clean your face, because that bacteria from those masks is just setting on your face. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love it too, Lizzie. Okay, so I'm using my Belief Jelly Cleanser. Just going to get my hand wet, and I'm going to put just a little bit on. I love this cleanser. So I'm just going to get my face wet. You can't see me for just a second. And I'm just rubbing it in, cleaning that area, making sure really that you're getting down here on your chin area good, because that mask rests on your chin, and so that's probably a lot of the area that you are seeing the acne. I'm going to have to pull my hair back because it is already in my face. So let me know in the comment section, do you clean your face morning and night? So one of the big questions I get is, why do I need to clean my face if I cleaned it at night? Well, because if you are putting on a good moisturizer at night, your skin has regenerated overnight, and you need to get those dead skin cells off your face before you put more makeup on it and then a mask on top of that, because then you're just trapping all of those dead skin cells. I'm just using a wet washcloth and wiping that off. You're trapping all of those dead skin cells underneath your makeup if you are not cleansing your face good. Yuck. I mean, when you really think about it, you're like, I think you're all saying the same thing I am. You're like, oh, I don't want to trap dead skin cells. I get it. I totally get it. Okay, so after you wash your face good, pat it dry. And I'm going to step up my moisture game a little bit tonight than what I've been doing, because I need to add a little bit extra. So I'm going to do my Isinox Anew Ultimate Rejuvenating Eye Serum, because the eyes need a little extra love, because that skin is delicate, and you want to make sure that you are preserving your eyes from being saggy or wrinkly. Nobody wants no wrinkly eyes. It's hard to put eyeshadow on wrinkly eyes. I wish somebody would have told me 20 years ago to start making sure that I treat my eyes every day, because I wouldn't have the eye problems that I have. Now I'm going to do my Mask Acne Ultimate Face Serum. And I'm going to treat for wrinkles, dark spots, all of those things on my face. So doing a good treatment is good to treat problem areas, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots. If you're a sun lover, doing a good treatment is key. You need that. I'm doing good about it at night, not so much in the morning. And that's truly the case. So here is another tip, Christina. If you're not doing good with getting your makeup off in the mornings, if you will put some makeup wipes. I love these makeup wipes. They are the makeup remover wipes with mineral complex. Put those by your sink in the morning. And then you can use that to wash your face, you know, in the morning and get that skincare off and kind of take those dead skin cells off. Okay, so for my moisturizer tonight, I'm going to be using our new Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy Facial Cream. It's made for sensitive skin, so it has no fragrances in it. It doesn't have any additives or anything that's going to be bad or harmful for your skin. It's really good and dermatology tested for people that have super sensitive skin, and it's got a great moisture barrier in it. So I am just going to squeeze out just a little bit, and I'm pretty liberal with mine. Of course, I'm the Avon lady, so of course I'm going to be liberal, but I am moisturizing, and I'm really going upwards so that we don't help gravity to pull the chins down. And I'm just moisturizing, moisturizing, moisturizing. There we go. So you want to make sure in between your treatments and your moisturizer that you are letting it dry down a little bit. Don't put it on when it's wet. And then for my eyes tonight, I'm going to do my Belief Moisture Balm Eye Cream. Because yes, we treated the eyes, but now you need to moisturize them. So if you're seeing lots of mask acne, chances are you're not moisturizing your face enough. And you're not drinking enough fluid. So, gotta help those eyes out a little bit. Is that not crazy? And that didn't take me very long at all. Like 5 minutes. I did that quick makeup routine or skincare routine. So let me recap for you guys. If you're seeing mask acne, drink 100 ounces of water a day. Use a good eye makeup remover to get the eye makeup off. A good facial cleanser. I love this Belief Aqua Bomb. And a good treatment to treat dark spots, wrinkles, saggy skin. I'm using the Mask Acne Rejuvenating line. It's great. And if this isn't the line that you want, I can definitely help you do a skincare consultation and find the skincare line that you need. And then I moisturized with my Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy and did some moisture eye balm on my eyes. It's that quick. Doesn't take you long. Before you crawl into bed, moisturize your face good, let it rejuvenate overnight, drink your water, and the mask acne will soon be gone. So I hope this helped you guys tonight. Thanks for joining. Share this video. Somebody else may need some quick tips to help get rid of mask acne. Like and follow here on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz and on YouTube. Like and follow Jennifer Woolsey. I hope you'll have a great day, and I will see you all later. Bye, guys.